Hello everybody. In this last part of chapter number 5, we'll talk about heat zones. Heat zones means these. Suppose this is our globe, this is the equator. Above the equator, it is northern hemisphere, and below the equator is southern hemisphere. This will be north pole, this will be south pole. So here, if sun is here, so the part nearby the equator will be receiving direct sun rays. This part will be receiving direct sun rays. This part is known as, this zone is known as torrid zone, and as it receives direct sun rays, that is why it is hot and humid throughout the year. This will remain hot and humid throughout the year. Torrid zone, this part is known as torrid zone and will experience hot and humid climate throughout the year. Then next is temperate zone. So above the torrid zone, and this is frigid zone, this is northern temperate zone, this will be southern temperate zone. Here you can see northern north temperate zone, south temperate zone. So as these areas are lying between torrid and frigid zone, ये जो टेम्परेट जोन है ये टोरिड जोन के और फ्रिजिड जोन के बीच में है. That is why it is known as temperate zone, whether it is in north or south. It is neither very hot nor very cold here, as these zones are away from the equator and also from the poles. Some slanting rays, sun rays reaches here. That is why it is neither too hot nor too cold, means moderate climate. Moderate climate is being experienced in these zones. Neither too hot nor too cold. Then last is frigid zone. This zone is known as frigid zone. North frigid, south frigid. It lie between Arctic Circle and North Pole. North Pole, and this is Arctic Circle. So it lie between North Pole and Arctic Circle. Circle and the South Pole. The area lying between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere में Arctic Circle और North Pole के बीच में, और southern hemisphere में Antarctic Circle और South Pole के बीच में है. This area lies between here. This zone receives slanting rays of sun. It remains very cold throughout the year. अब ये जो जोन है ये slanting rays, sun की slanting rays रिसीव करता है. That is why it remains cold throughout the year. बहुत एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड होता है. इट रिमेन्स कोल्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. आई रिपीट, एक बार शॉर्ट में फिर से बताती हूँ. दिस इज टोरिड जोन, नॉर्थ टेम्परेट, साउथ टेम्परेट, नॉर्थ फ्रिजिड, साउथ फ्रिजिड. टोरिड जोन एक्सपीरियंसेस डायरेक्ट सन रेज, दैट इज वाई इट रिमेन हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड. नॉर्थ टेम्परेट, साउथ टेम्परेट जोन एक्सपीरियंस slanting rays, that is why it experience moderate climate. And frigid zone experience slanting rays of the sun. Sometimes it do not experience rays. That is why it remains cold throughout the year. That is why it is known as frigid zone. Got it? So we have, these are the heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Extreme cold, hot and humid. Moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. Extreme cold. Now your homework is to find the exercises of this chapter. I'll send you the question answer, and by the time you try to find the exercise.